What's going on, guys? Triple M here, and today I just wanted to do a sneak peek of the upcoming release of the Fire TV Cube. As you can see right here, it is set to be released on the 21st of June, so we have a couple weeks left, and receive a lot of questions about this, and this video is really just to give you guys an intro to this device, take a look at the price, some of the specs, the ports that are available, some of the features, just to see if it's worth buying when it is released. So initially, just looking at this device, looking at some of the specs, basically all it is a Echo and the Fire TV put together in one device. So has all the voice functions, so you can tell it to play certain things, to turn on your device, to switch channels. You can have it do whatever you have your Echo do, but you can have it hooked into your TV and it gives you a better viewing experience. So first hands-on streaming media play with Alexa, with a far-field voice control recognition, 8 microphones, and beamforming technology. Fire TV Cubes hears you from any direction. Enjoy hands-free voice control, play search, and do other things with your voice. So pretty standard of what we expect from the Echo, but also pretty cool that you now have this hooked into your 4K TV or just HD TV, and you can just go ahead and play your content directly. It is 4K, of course, HD up to 60 frames per second, HDR, and the audio quality is Dolby Atmos, which is a high quality if you guys aren't aware. So of course this has the built-in Amazon feature, so you can have your Prime membership hooked into it. You can get your video, your music, and stuff like that. And now the price is another thing. I'm not sure how you guys feel about this. It's $119. So if you guys think about putting a Fire TV, which is $69, then Echo or Echo Dot, which is anyway from $49 to $80 or $90 for the larger one, it might be in the same realm, but not sure how you guys are actually viewing it. So here's a quick comparison, guys. This is a Fire TV stick, Fire TV 3rd generation, and the new Fire TV Cube. So 4K Ultra HD supported, HDR10 supported. It does have far field voice for your TV and devices, both supported by the new Fire TV Cube. Alexa voice remote for all 3 devices. They're all quad-core processors. The Fire Stick is 1.3 gigahertz, and the Fire TV, as well as the Fire TV Cube, both 1.5 gigahertz, guys. The Fire TV Cube is 16 gigs of internal storage, while the Fire Stick and Fire TV are 8 gigs, and Dolby Atmos, of course. They all have dual band Wi-Fi, and it says Ethernet support at the bottom. The Fire TV Cube comes with an actual adapter for your Ethernet. It says that this is not supported for the Fire Stick and Fire TV, but if you watch my videos, you know that there are ways and adapters that you can get to actually wire in your Fire TV and Fire Stick. Alright, so what do you get in the box? You get a remote, standard Amazon remote. You get 2 AA batteries. You do get a power brick with it. So there's a separate power supply for this device, essentially. You do get the Ethernet adapter, your IR extender, and here are the ports on the back, guys. So we have a micro SD. Do have an infrared port, you have an HDMI port, power port. Scroll down a little bit, just look some of the technical details. So here's the size. So it is 3.4 by 3.4 by 3. So look at it, it is almost a perfect cube. Quad core processor up to 1.5 gigahertz. It's an ARM 4X-CA53. Can't wait to do a benchmark to see how it stacks up to the other devices. Here's the GPU. It's a Mali 450 MP3, 16 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM. And this is one of those things I'm gonna pre-order, and as soon as it's released, I will go ahead and do a full review on it. But very interested to know what you guys think of this device, if it's worth buying in your opinion. It's $119. They do have a bundle option with a cloud camera if you guys are interested in that as well. But as far as the device itself, it's not that cheap, guys. If you're looking at $120, that's very close to the Nvidia Shield territory. Might as well bump it up, right? But for everyone that's hell bent on the Amazon ecosystem, this might be a must-have for you. So like I said, June 21st, it will be released. Can't wait to go ahead and review for you guys. Drop a comment, let me know what you think of this device, whether it's a positive, negative. If you think it's the most horrible garbage that you've seen Amazon release, let me know. Let me know what you think about the specs as well, compared to the other devices. And as far as the combination of the Fire TV and the Echo into one device, let me know what you think that will do to make this device more appealing. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.